It's hardly been a year since the Kushaq was launched, and now we have the first major update. This is the Kushaq Monte Carlo. It is a styling update and it is available on both the 1 litre and the 1.5, and it is available with both the manual as well as with the automatic transmission. Let's talk you through the styling updates on this car. The big visual update is this blacked out grille. Now on the Style and Ambition versions, you get this in all chrome, but on the Monte Carlo, it is blacked out and I think it looks really cool. It also goes well with this red. Now the Monte Carlo will only be available in the red and the white shade. So obviously all these blacked out elements will go well with it. Blacked out elements on the bumper. You get the Monte Carlo badge on the front fender and you get these wheels. These wheels are also extremely noticeable, and if you recall, this is the same style as the earlier generation Octavia RS. So you got RS wheels, same 17-inch wheels, but RS wheels on the Kushaq. And over at the rear, again, you got more blacked out elements, especially the Skoda badging. It's now in black chrome. You got black chrome here, a gloss black element at the bottom of the bumper. And now let's show you the updates on the interior. So what's new on the inside? You get this red trim element which looks really cool. It also runs into the doors, so that really brightens up the cabin. It's complemented by the red mood lighting. It gets the digital cockpit. Now the Kushaq did not have the digital cockpit, but the Monte Carlo, it debuts the digital cockpit on the Kushaq. This is the 1.5 with the DSG gearbox, and on the exterior, that's differentiated by the red brake calipers on the front. The rear has got drum brakes. The seats, this is black and red, exclusive to the Kushaq. It has got cooled seats up front. Otherwise, mechanically, it remains the same. The aircon vents, that has been sorted out. So Skoda are listening to us and they're making improvements to the car. Also, the 1 litre engine now gets auto start-stop. So the fuel efficiency of the 1 litre with the automatic gearbox has also gone up. The Monte Carlo is priced at a 70,000 rupee premium to the style variant of the Kushaq. It is available between the 1 litre and the 1.5, and the price difference between the two powertrain options remains the same at 1.6 lakh rupees. What do you think about the Monte Carlo edition of the Kushaq? Skoda claims that this will constitute between 10 to 12% of overall volume. Can it do it? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the Evo India channel and do share this video with like-minded enthusiasts.